To order a new Venmo card on the app, start by opening the Venmo application on your mobile device. Once you have logged into your account, navigate to the menu by tapping on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select the Settings option, which is usually represented by a gear icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Venmo card section and select the option that says Get Venmo Card. This will take you to a screen where you can review the details of the Venmo card, including its features and benefits. Before you can order a new card, you will need to confirm your identity and address. Make sure your information is up to date and accurate, as this will be used to verify your account and send your new card. If your information is not current, you will be prompted to update it before proceeding. Once your information is verified, you can proceed to customize your Venmo card by selecting a design and adding your name. You can choose from a variety of designs, so pick the one that best suits your style. After customizing your card, review the terms and conditions of the Venmo card program. It is essential to understand the fees, limits, and other details associated with the card before you agree to the terms. If you are satisfied with the terms, tap the Next button to proceed to the final step. You will be asked to confirm your order. And once you do, your new Venmo card will be mailed to you. You should receive your card within 5 to 7 business days. It is essential to note that the Venmo card is free to order, and there are no monthly fees or interest charges. However, there may be fees associated with certain transactions, such as out-of-network ATM withdrawals. By following these steps, you can easily order a new Venmo card on the app and start using it to make purchases and manage your finances. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and monitor your transactions to avoid any potential issues.